Welcome my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to introduce you about a very tiny but useful things which is generally used to hang a thing on the wall. Yes, a surface that is plain and without any board that is needed here, and how it is used, that is I am going to discuss before you. This wall mounted hanging hook has come from the online company and I am going to scissor it and scissored it already. Let's see the packet inside. Here is the packet, the before side of the packet, the front side of the packet, and I have cut from the side already, and I am sewing at first the all sides and there, and let's see here inside and see the hooks. 5 hooks are here in the pouch, and the frill and the price is 159 INR. And see, 1 and 2 is already done, and 3, 4, and this is 1 and 5. This 5 it will be used quite as vamp. And see here, this is the wall. This is a cardboard and it is pasted here like this, but as the wood has some small bores and the surface of wood is not clearly smooth, so it will not stuck here clearly, so I have to stuck in the wall. See the put it wall and smooth wall side. I am going to start it here and plug it from here, and I am going to turn it out from here, and after turning it out from here I am going to start it from here and here and here. See, this is, and here it is quite clearly cut, and see it's right and it's right, and bye bye.